Alright, to knock out this clutch replacement, you're going to need a few tools. A 5mm Allen wrench, a 10mm wrench, an 8mm wrench, and a holding rod. First, use the 8mm wrench to loosen the 4 bolts that connect the gearbox to the clutch. Now, hold the fixing nut between the gearbox and clutch with your 10mm wrench. Then use the 5mm Allen wrench to loosen the bolt. Go ahead and remove the gearbox. Next, secure the clutch with the auxiliary rod and loosen the bolts with your 10mm wrench. Use the auxiliary rod to pry the clutch loose, then remove it. Grab your new clutch. Install the clutch onto the shaft. Hold the clutch in place with the auxiliary rod and tighten the bolts with your 10mm wrench. Next, fit the clutch cover into place. Now hold the fixing nut with your 10mm wrench and tighten the bolt with the 5mm Allen wrench. Finally, tighten the 4 bolts connecting the gearbox and clutch using the 8mm wrench. And that's it for disassembling and reassembling the clutch. Thanks for watching.